The totally not at all overly grandiosely named Glorious PC Gaming Race GMMK TKL RGB mechanical keyboard is now up for pre-order. The big selling point of the GMMK TKL is that it supports hot swapping switches of varying brands. We've seen the hot swap trick before, notably on the Wooting One and Epic Gear-defined keyboards, but Glorious is hammering home the point that you aren't limited to a single switch brand. The GMMK TKL supports Cherry, Kale, Gatron, and Celio switches. All that's required is the 3-pin switch construction, so they'll fit into the holes on the PCB. You can lop off the little legs on any switch to convert them to platter-mounted, though. One could be forgiven for feeling like this hot swap thing is a gimmick, but Glorious PC is leaning into its claim that this is the last keyboard you will ever need to buy. First, there's the impressive list of supported switch brands, but because they're all Charistem compatible, you of course also get the benefit of loading one of these keyboards up with your favorite custom keycap sets too. It's also backlit. The kicker, though, is that there's no branding anywhere on this keyboard. That means you aren't stuck with an endlessly customizable plank that's stamped with a company logo, which was a wise move on the part of Glorious PC. Despite all of the above, it's unlikely that this is the last keyboard any mech enthusiast will buy, because endgame is a myth. The chassis has a sandblasted, black aluminum topped plate. We aren't sure what the rest of the chassis is made of. The lights offers 18 pre-installed effects, and you can add one user-generated effect too. Within those effects, you can change up the speed and brightness. The requisite keycap and switch pullers are included. You can get a basic kit with no switches, or caps for $60. Another $20 gets you white or black keycaps which are ABS double shot. Glorious PC sells a variety of Gatron switches, so you can add a 120 pack of those to your order for another $3,035. If you configure your order with the above, your total cost, then, will be $110,115. Otherwise, you can order loose switches elsewhere and load them onto your GMMK TKL RGB later. Or you can order a fully assembled model with Gatron brown switches and black keycaps for $110. The pre-order window is now open, with shipping expected around October 23. If you prefer a full-size keyboard, Glorious PC offers all of the above in that form factor for the same prices. Glorious PC Gaming Race GMMK TKL Rig Type Tantalus 87K Switch Verison Board Store Agis LIGHTING RGB 18 presets, 1 U-certified effect, with brightness and speed controls. Key Oliver and Interfaces 2.02 MICRO USB-C ABL. He's 6 feet, braided, removable additional ports. Not a keycap. SAVS double shot OPTIONALDIMENSIONS 335 x 129 x 35.9 Mutunknen Software Constriction Aluminum Topped Plate MISC. Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, 10, or Mac OS or Linux hotkey functions only work on Windows accessories. Keycap puller, switch pulled, sticker, manual, angled micro USB CONNECTORPRIC. He's $60 basic kit. Net caps of SWITCHES $20 for KEYCAPS $3,035 for Gatron switches. For other keycaps and or switches,